So let's just say you got $1,000 a month, a $500 a month account. You got a $5,000 a month account, and you got a $2,000 a month account, right? These your accounts. And when we say accounts, that's just what we call customers as well, okay? So when I say accounts, I'm talking about customers, okay? So these are the buildings you're cleaning. And this is the problem that y'all doing right here. What y'all doing is y'all adding, okay? So y'all doing one, there we go, bam. So y'all adding. And y'all saying, okay, I got a $1,000 a month account, I'm gonna clean that, that's $1,000 a month. I got a $500 a month account, I got a $5,000 a month account, blah, blah, blah. And y'all trying to add them up and say, this is what I make, now I make six figures, right? But this is the problem. Once you do that, how many hours a day and a week are you working? You working more than 40 hours a week cleaning this, okay, by yourself. You probably got 1 or 2 workers working with you, and you riding all over town, 20 miles one way, 20 miles another way, just to do all of this, right? You adding. And what you should be doing is multiplying, okay? Instead of taking that $1,000 home and saying, okay, I got a $1,000 a month account, instead what you should be doing is taking 300 and make 300. For this 500, like my marker down, instead of 500, you probably gonna make what? Maybe 150. Instead of this 5,000, you gonna probably make 15. Instead of this 2,000, you probably gonna make, let's say, 600. All right, and I'm gonna explain why. Because how much your overhead costs? Let's just say you want to hire somebody for this $1,000 a month account. Let's just say you paying out 50%. So 500 a month go to overhead. Let's say 200 a month goes to the actual business account because you got to grow the business, reinvest in your business, right? And then you take home 300 out of that 1,000. That's what you should be doing, but that's what people don't want to do. This is why people can't grow, because they tap out. They tap out. They ride all over town, get about 1 or 2 workers and ride from city to city as close as far as they can and do as much as they can do and get exhausted doing this. And so they get stuck at 8,500 a month. That's about all you can do. You tap out anywhere between 8 and 10 a month, and that's about the best they can do, right? When what they should be doing is this. So instead of taking that, you should be taking that, right? You should be grossing this. That's what your business grows. This is what you should be making. That's what you make. And then your business making something out of this too, right? So you got a business account that should be making some money. You should be getting a set salary, and then the business should be grossing a certain amount. But see, don't nobody want to do this because y'all so quick. Everybody want to quit their job so fast, and that's what I did. You know what I mean? I got one of these. I got one of these, and I stopped. Oh, I got $3 grand. I make $3 grand a month. I go $3 grand a month. Now I mean, made it up to 85. Yeah, I make 6 figures. Thinking I'm doing something. In reality, I wasn't making 6 figures. The business was making 6 figures. You see what I'm saying? So that's what y'all got to learn. And so don't be so quick to quit your job. If you can keep that job, keep it, and then do this. And then take home the 225, and then once you get to the $3 grand a month or whatever, however much you need to pay your bills, then you quit when it's passive. Okay? Don't quit doing this. Quit doing this. Don't quit your job because you got you a $2,000 a month account or $5,000 a month account. You say, bam, I made $5 grand a month, I can quit. Don't do that. You're gonna get stuck.